Thunder Horse Descendant. I'm here today with a little bit of Soft Flex. This is what we got going on today. This one is Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. Now, I think they've already opened this, but hey, I have not seen it, and I'm excited. I love this paper. So we're going to jump down to the mat, and we're going to take a look at this, and we're going to go from there. Okay? So you may notice my setup's a little different today. That's fine. I might be using this setup a little more. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. So here we go. This is from Softflex Company, www.softflexcompany.com. These are the mystery design kits. They contain everything that you need to make a few projects, minus the tools. So they're supposed to be beads, wires, crimps, findings, and more. We should be able to just make something out of the gate, they said. This one is, let me see, I think they have launched this one. Yes. So it says, join us on Softflex Company Facebook page or YouTube channel on March 26th at 3 p.m. for the reveal. So they already did launch, so it is available. And then you have until, let me see, they're going to reveal it, and then from March 26th till April 28th, you can post pictures of the items you've made with your design kit in the Softflex VIB Studio Facebook group. It's a lot of things. Hashtag diamonds and enter to win a future kit. So that's the goings-ons with that. These kits are $34.99 is what they retail for. So let's jump into it, huh? I'm excited. I'm excited. I like this little paper. Pink. Now, the paper was pink. I don't know why I wasn't like, yeah, it's going to be pink. I didn't think that, but okay. I don't know why I didn't think that. It's funny. All right. So, we have Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend design elements from JJB. We will look at that in a little hot minute. Let's see what kind of wire they gave us. Now with extreme abrasion resistance. 925 sterling silver extreme flex by Softflex. This is plated flexed wire in medium. Okay. 15 pounds test weight. So this is sterling silver wire. I've never had this before. I don't know if this is new, possibly, but it is medium, so I'm excited about that. And then they've sent the, I can only assume, are the size 2 crimp tubes to go with the medium. We love that. Here we have our little package of findings. Oh, they took the staple out. I love that. I was always getting hung up on that staple. Okay, we've got, well, this seems to be a heavy-duty toggle of some sorts. Maybe it is. We'll look at the list after we're done here, but it seems like very nice quality. And some little earring wires. Generally, these are stainless steel. We've got some little check glass flower spacers. Love that for us. Little strand of those. And let's see what we got here. Got some things. Okay, so we seem to have some freshwater pearls in pink. These guys are all freshwater. So that's very lovely. Some genuine freshwater pearls. These guys appear to be shell. They're probably dyed shell. Mother of pearl shell. I love those. My camera is not showing how pink they are. They are. I didn't know this was going to be pink. This camera doesn't really like pink. Let me just say that. But we're doing our best. These guys here, these appear to be glass pearls. Probably not check just based on the paint situation, but still very cute. I like those a lot. And then we have some crystals. Got some crystals here. These are probably some Preciosa crystals. Very pretty. Gotta have some crystals when you're going for Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. Got a little heart there. This is a very cute mix. I like it a lot. Let me get this little tray. Okay, that one's very cute. I like that. And then we have some different business over here. Okay, this looks to be a large hole bead. These guys are also large hole. Look like a ceramic. These are fire polish, and these guys are probably Austrian crystal. They might be swans, to be honest with you. They're pretty sparkly. So we'll take a look at that. They feel pretty leaded, so they're probably swans. So yeah, so there we go. Got those guys. So that's these guys right here. Very cute. And then we have the Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend Design Element Mix. Now, these are from JJB. They couple with Softflex. You can only get them through Softflex Company. Okay. But they are in a collaboration with Jesse James Beads. Now, these guys here, black and pink little mix. Got some crystals, got some giant pave. Those are cute. They're huge. Got some black crystals, got some cage beads. These are fun to work with. I like these smaller sized ones because you can make some really cute earrings and stuff out of them. They got the caged crystal inside. These guys here, Chinese crystal bicones. White. Now this is a different bead we've not seen before. This is got a lot of facets. I know there's a name for this. It's almost like that dice. But we've not seen that from JJB before, so that's very interesting. This one is more like a golf ball style, and this one is more like a triangle style. So those are very cool. I'm liking those a lot. Same with these, very different. They're different shape. Have not seen those before. Very cool. Love that. And then here we have some pink and silver spacers. A few of those. These guys are like a flower bead cap. Very cute. This is a very good mix from JJB. A lot of cute stuff in here. We got some black crystals and then some glass pearls here. So there we go. That is the mix. Those are very cute. These are not coming off as pink as they should be because of my mat probably, so I apologize about that. But this is a very cute mix. This elements mix, very cute. One of my more favorites, I would say, than we've seen in the past. So that's good. And then we have these guys, very cute. It's kind of giving. I gotta look and see what kind of metal this is. It's kind of giving. It's giving me like 1920s a little bit, even though it's pink, which was not a thing, but it's giving me the vibe. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let me look at the list here. Come here, list. Okay, Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend. I don't ever use it when I'm doing it because I like to be surprised. All right, so we've got the Extreme Sterling Silver 0.9 medium beading wire, the 2x2 sterling silver crimp tubes, silver plated ear wires, and the JJB mix. Then we have 6mm check pink tourmaline rondelles. 6mm. Check pink tourmaline rondelles. Rondelles. 8mm black ceramic rounds, which is these. 12 by 18mm black ceramic barrels. That's this. Oh, that must be these. 6mm check pink tourmaline rondelles. Check glass. Interesting. Clear and white rainbow iris fire polish. Custom bead mix by Just Beat It. Hematite daisy spacers, that's those. And silver toggle. Okay, so it doesn't say specifically what kind of, it's just a silver toggle. But this seems quite heavy duty. Also, I don't know if this is, I didn't watch the unboxing, so I don't know if this is the custom bead mix by Just Beat It. Must be. But yeah, so there we go. That's the goings-ons. It is very cute. I am liking it a lot. I think that there's a lot of different ways you could go with it. I will say, like, the black and pink contrast thing is a cute colorway. But I don't know. I don't know. These are cute. I don't know. There's a lot of cute stuff we can make here. So I will be putting out a video using these items, hopefully at some point. I'm getting back into my regular scheduled programming. So I've been away. I got married. Things have been happening. We've had a lot of life happening if you've been following along with Thunder Horse Descendant. So we're also going to move. So that's happening. Today is the first day of the moving plan. Moving day, June 2nd, right? So we're on it. Anyways, I hope you're all having a lovely, spectacular, amazing beading day. I hope you liked this Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend unboxing for Soft Flex. If you did, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you've gotten this, if you're using it, if you're planning on participating in the drawing over on Facebook with them. I hope you guys have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.